What's up, YouTube? It's my first official day on my new funded account. Recently passed a Lucid 50K account yesterday. I did make a trade because with Lucid you can actually get your funded account as soon as you pass it. You don't have to wait till the next trading day. So this is actually like officially my second day because I did place a small trade. Um, and I think I was up like 40 or 50 bucks. I just wanted to trade it to mess around and with some ATM settings. But yeah, I did make a trade at Global Open last night, and we were up $188, which puts my total up to 264. And we're looking for a $4,000 total is what I'm looking for in the next 3 to 4 days. Whatever I get is what I get, but if it takes me more than the 3 days, that's what I'm shooting for is 4,000 in profit. That way I can take the max payout from Lucid and still have a good buffer. My buffer will be about 2,500 buffers. So that's the plan. Just got to stick to my guns, stick to my plan and everything. Stay disciplined. You guys that are traders out there, if you're struggling, man, just really tighten up the screws. Make it to where you stand by what you're wanting to do. Set you out some rules. And the first thing to do is like I'll just kind of show you. So she would probably kill me for showing this picture, but so I have made a little picture of why I want to trade and why um, I want to be successful at it. This is why. This is my wife. I've got this hanging up on my wall right in front of me to remind me this is why I want to do this and I want to make a better life for us. So, uh, you guys do what you do, whatever works for you. But that's what I see. So, thank you guys for joining me on this journey. I'll try to update you as much as I can. We're 27 minutes from market open. Looks like we starting a little downtrend right now. We did get a good swing up. Let's take a look back at what the night did. So we steadily trended up most of the night. It's what it looks like all the way. So it's got a good steady uptrend. Right now it looks like we're on a pullback at what is that 7:30. We had a big pump up. So we'll see. We did have a big pump up 7:30 yesterday, uh, and then of course we had the dump. So I don't know if you guys see, but this is what I like to trade. This is orb. This is opening range breakout. I do a 15-minute orb, and if you guys don't know what it is, you can always let me know, and I will try to um, explain the best I can. I am very new to trading. I am just like I said. This is not educational. This is not financial advice. First and foremost, not financial advice. This is just a document or a journal of my journey to trying to become a profitable trader. Everybody's journey is going to be different. Everybody's going to have different challenges. But we're all striving for the same thing to be profitable and to basically, yeah. First off, I don't even think I've done this. This is the reason I want to trade. I spend a lot of time on the road and away from home. Now I don't. I've got a pretty good job to where I'm home every night, and well, I'm home every day. I work nights, so I still don't get to spend the time that I want with my family. Um, so I'm not looking to supplement my income. I'm really just looking for extra income right now. Later down the road, if I do become successful and profitable within the next, I'd say 3 to 4 years, maybe I could supplement my income with this. Um, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, that's the goal. But right now, I mean, the main reason is I want to buy back some of that time. I want to be able to later down the road work for 20 to 30 minutes a day and then be able to do what I want for the rest of the day. It's taken me a hard, a long time to try to realize that because I like to trade. I like um, this setting. It's just fun. It's challenging. You know, um, and it's hard to just pull away from the charts. So if any of you guys out there are having that struggle, man, just remember you're doing this to buy back time. You know, so don't give your time to the charts. You want to buy it back. So I'm gonna set up a little trend here. Looks like we were in over the last, what is that, couple days, we've been in a downtrend. Looks like we finally broke this downtrend about right here about 4 days ago. So we are currently on this little uptrend. I need to hide some of this stuff so you guys can get a clearer picture of what we're looking at. No, no, no. So we're really consolidating right here in this range. We need to, I'd really like to see us break out of this range. Um, that's going to be really important because we've been consolidating, in this area for a few days. Let's see. Let's do this. Call it right here to. I mean, you can call this. Yeah, we'll call that the range. So we're still in this little range, and we want to see a big push to the upside. That's what we're looking for, right? Right. I hate like I'll adjust this on a higher time frame and then move down to the 1 minute, and I will have to adjust it again. It drives me crazy. Tradevate has a few things that you know. I do trade with TradingView, but I don't want you guys to see TradingView. I want you to see the actual, me executing trades, and I want to be as transparent as possible. I am not, a professional trader. This is when I take a trade, it's just kind of like my thought on what's going to happen. So, um, I'll probably get called an idiot or, whatever other names you want to call me because I probably take trades that, people probably wouldn't originally take. So, but this is just me, my journey, and that's what I'm going to do. So, and for some reason, let's see. Oh, there we go. Now she's popping up. Yeah. You can see it has really stayed in this range over the last couple days, and we're looking to break it right now. If we do get a break, we could see a good push up. Um, but we will see. We will definitely see. Oh, we need to change this color. Background color. That's ugly. That is ugly. There we go. Let's do. Let's do purple. Yeah, it's a little bit easier on my eyes. Kind of gives me my eyes a bright look. I hope you guys can hear me okay. I am going to check my stream. I just want to hear how I sound because I don't have, of course, right now I don't have anybody in, so I don't know how the stream sounds. Let's see. So we're looking. It's 8:12, 18 minutes till market open. Let's see. Yak, 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 yak. All right. Let's see how I sound. Testing one, two, three. Testing one, two, three. All right. Let's see how I sound. Testing one, two, three. Yeah, I'm gonna turn me up just a little bit. Let's see. That's probably gonna be right there. Check, check, mic one, two. Yeah, I'm gonna turn me up just a little bit. Let's see. That's probably gonna be right there. Check, check, mic one, two. Do this again. I'm watching myself stream. That's just crazy. I'm really new to all this, just starting this stuff up. So, I'm watching myself stream. That's just crazy. I'm really new to all this, just starting this stuff up. So. All right. All right. All right. I think we're good to go there. think we are good to go. Uh, all right, guys. 15 minutes till market open. 15 minutes. I'll be right back. I realize you guys can still hear me because I've got my headset on. That's kind of funny. All right, all right. I looked up because it says I have one viewer, but what I forgot was that is me. I am viewing myself. So, yeah. Fun times, fun times. I do need to lock this. So, this level right here was a strong resistance. It finally broke through, and you had a couple taps right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It did break, but came back down. And then we had a final break. So this is an area of resistance or support now, and you can see that it's trying to bounce. We are currently downtrending on this little on this impulse trend. Even though I feel like the trend is up on the longer time frame, right now we are downtrending on this impulse trend for sure. So if we break, let's see, we did come down and touch these levels. Right here is this little zone, and you can tell it. This is where it started to reject and come back up. If we break this little shoulder right here, we could see a change of character to the top side, but we'll see. That's all going to change once market opens anyway. Uh, we'll just see what the market's going to do. this because this is a little bit steeper. See, we've actually already kind of broke this little trend. It's a steep trend, but we have broke it. I don't, yeah, I'm not getting into anything just yet. Uh, I wanna wait till market open and see what everything does. Usually you see a pop around 824, 825. You'll see a big volume pop. Uh, that's weird. It's weird. It's weird. I don't have my volume down there anymore. Opening range. Yeah, see, we're on this little uptrend right now from yesterday. I wonder what that retracement has been from yesterday's low. So it's actually retraced back more than 78%. On the 15 minute, this looks like a pretty good pullback though. I do like this pullback. Let's see. This is a 50% pullback right now on this from this low to this high. So let's see. Yeah, see, this is actually it's a little. Well, I didn't go far enough. It's almost retraced back to the 618. So that's a really good pullback and a really good sign for a reversal. So this could be a pushback to the upside on the 15 minute. Don't know that for sure. Like I said, I'm not looking to get in a trade before market open. I want to see what happens at market because the volume is just crazy. We should see a spike in volume right here. This will tell us kind of what to expect. Here in about 5 seconds, we should see a push in volume. That's weird. Wow, no volume whatsoever. No volume. That's crazy. Well, we are seeing a little. There we go. Now we're starting to see the volume tick up. Now we're seeing the volume tick up. All right, all right. Again, guys, this is my trading journey. I just wanted to kind of document it. I've been doing this for a year so far, so yeah, still learning a lot. I finally feel like I've got a set strategy. I got a couple strategies that I really like. So, I think we're good to go there. I think we are good to go. All right, guys. 15 minutes till market open. 15 minutes. I think we're good to go there. I think we are good to go. All right, guys. 15 minutes. All right. 53 seconds. Here we go. Here we go. 10 seconds. 10 seconds till market open. Uh, Boom. Huge dump with a pullback back up to 40. I hate how this first candle is on this. I want to take a short here. What I'm seeing, I don't know if I like. Looks like it's going to 3 bar up on SPX. Yes. I really feel like this is going to pop back up and take out these highs. Mm, very, very strong. Let's see. Yeah, there's a fail. So we failed. No continuation to the top side. So like this, all this consolidation right here is just, yeah, this zone is real, real tough. There's a wick. There's a wick. This could 3 bar up. I don't know. Oh my gosh. NQ is so weak right now. So weak. I wonder, man, I could jump into a buy right here. I'm just waiting on it right now. I don't like all this with my ATM settings. It's just too much indecision right now. Too much indecision. Don't know. Don't have a clear direction. Uh, ES. All right, I'm in a short right here. I want to see this breakdown right here. Now NQ is looking very, very strong. Now NQ is looking very, very strong. I am probably going to get stopped out right here unless we can get a good push down. Oh my gosh, what happened? This just flipped. The strength of NQ just flipped, and I'm taken out right there. Wow, that was a divergence. I had a break on SPX and ES. Yeah, I might re-enter the short here. Uh, NQ is so strong right now. It's just crazy. Don't trade this chop, guys. I mean, these zones are tightening up right here. Man, this is just ugly right now. Good God, man, the divergence on these is just crazy right now. So, SPX is making a new high. NQ isn't. What in the world is going on right now? I don't. This PA is rough. This PA is very, very rough. NQ is just strong right now. going to take the short here. Need this to push down hard here. If it wicks up above this candle, it's gone. There we go. May get out of this pretty quick. If this can break that midline, I need it to break that midline and push through. If not, it's done. There you go. Come on. Push down, push down, push down, push down. There we go. There we go. Come on, keep pushing down. Need this to continue down. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. I want to see 26. I may close this early. All right, risk is off. Risk is off. I'm trailing. Boom, smashed it, smashed it. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep going, keep going. I'm up 300. All right, I'm out of all contracts except one. I'm up 80 bucks on one micro right now, so this was a really good trade. I'm going to just trail this about halfway through each candle. All right, I'm wicked out right there, fully out of the trade for 325 on that trade. Actually, a little more because I was in the red. So, yep. Let's see what happens. I'm back in this short. I want to see it go a little further down. SPX is headed towards orb, but this could pop back up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push down, push down, push down, push down. There we go. I am risk off, risk off, risk off, risk is off. Risk is off of this trade. I'm I'm up 600 on this trade, and I'm fixing to be fully out. If it wicks me, all right, 576 on the day. One and well, that was two. That was two and done. Sorry, I broke my own rule, but it paid off just because this was a real strong move. Very, very good day. $506. $506 on the two trades, guys. Don't do what I did. Stick to your rules. If you guys are trading, stick to your rules, whatever your rules are. I broke my rule just because I wanted to catch this continuation because I got tapped out. So, I'm gonna have to pay for that. This is looking really good though. If SPX breaks 56, I think this could continue down, and we could actually, let me see here. Could actually see, actually we're right here. 269 on NQ is a possible reversal point. So I'd like to see it come down to 242 for a sweep on Asia low, and then that would be a good reversal. So watch 242. Uh, that would be where I would want to look for a reversal. Yeah, I do want to watch this, but I am not trading anymore. Yeah, I am not trading. I am happy with $576. I will probably jump back on at Global Open. I do like taking a trade there. I like to take trades at Global Open, and I'm sorry, I just lost my train of thought because I'm still watching this. So I made $576, guys. I was down a little bit because I took a bad trade, got wicked out up here. Let me put these fills and orders in real quick. Fills and orders. All right, guys. So these were my trades. I went in here because I thought it was going to keep dropping, and look, dude, it is dump. Is it dumping? No, it's not. Okay, okay. I thought it was trying to dump. Oh, it is dumping. Look, there's the dump. There's the 242. 242. There's the sweep. It could continue down to 12, but I would definitely look for a reversal here. See, we're if this wicks back up and turns blue, because that's what my candles are, this could be a reversal right here. I'm not going to take this trade, but yeah, this could be a huge reversal point right here. And we could actually come all the way back up to 203 for a retest. Look, there we go. I would definitely look at 203 at the bottom of orb. If we break through orb, I could definitely see it coming back to 48. Um, yeah. Why is that different? Why is that different? Look, look, look. We're, all right, so SPX actually is breaking back into orb. If it does not break back into orb, we could see a continuation down. Uh, right now, this is just a healthy pullback. I think it's going to continue down, to be honest. This is, yeah. So, all right. I tried to take this trade right here. Uh, because I should have realized that these wicks down here, I should have just waited. Should have just waited. Um, but I did feel like it was going to continue down here, and it ended up. I got in, it wicked down, and then started to wick back up and took me out. So I waited, and then we had a higher high right here, and then we had these two long, long wicks. I like this for an entry, but I wanted to see it break. So once we started to break below this candle low right here is where I took my entry. That's what I was looking at. So took my entry there, and yeah, we hit the really good trade right there. These are just ATM settings, guys. I click the button and it does it for me basically. We could see 203. It's making a new high. If SPX makes a new high, this is definitely coming back up to orb for a retest. If I was still trading, the break and retest of orb is a very, very good entry point. If it taps and starts to reject and closes below, I would definitely look for an entry. You could take a really good risk to reward entry here with being just above orb or bottom of orb. This is not financial advice. This is just something that I would do if I was still trading. This is not financial advice. I need to quit saying you. I need to say I. I would take this trade. Well, it's still pushed down though. I feel like it's going to be a downtrend day. We could see it pop back up, but but yeah. Do we have any viewers in right now? No, no viewers. Oh well. Uh, all right, guys. One and done. I'm up 576 on the day. Total account is up 652. So I'm up 652 on this account. This is a fresh funded account. Um, Appreciate you guys. Hopefully we get some viewers to start coming in. And yeah, uh, good luck if you're trading. Trade smart. Stick to your rules. Be disciplined. Um, I like the one and done, man. Don't You don't have to hit a home run to make a living. You can definitely. I mean, really, I made $500 in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I made almost $600. 576. Um, that's pretty good. Uh, you'll never find any job to where you will make $500 in 5 minutes. I mean, you calculate that 5 times 30, I think what that is. Yeah, so yeah, I mean, that's just crazy, guys. That'd be 12. Let's see, 12 times 576. I mean, if you made that an hour, that's $7,000 an hour, guys. Uh, you're not going to do that every time. You can't have that kind of expectation. Um, because I mean, it's just unreal. But you have to be happy with green. You have to be happy whether you're $10 green or you're $10,000 green. You have to be happy. I've watched a lot of traders say that the worst thing to happen to them was to have a $10,000, $20,000 day. It ruins your psychology, and that's the big thing about trading is your psychology. Trading isn't hard; it's the psychology that's hard. Uh, you know, I give it up to the people that swing trade. Swing traders, man, you are a different breed. I can't. I couldn't do it. Get being in a trade for for a few days up to a week or even longer. I don't think my my mental capacity could take it. I get trade exhaustion being in a trade for more than 2 or 3 minutes. That first trade I took right here, I was in for 4 minutes and then jump back in. So yeah, uh, and then I was in that one for what less than 2 minutes. So yeah, um, however you guys trade, make sure that you stick to your rules. Trade smart. And again, this is not financial advice. This is just my journey. I hope you guys join me on my journey. Jump into the live stream. I'm going to try to go live every day at around 8 for market open, and I'll try to go live around 4 4:45 for the global open as well. Uh, so yeah, hop in, come watch. Let's now we'll chat. Let's talk about trading, talk about your journeys. I've kind of figured out that having a community of people really does help out with trading. People that want you to succeed and want to see everybody succeed. So, because that's what we do. We want to succeed at this to buy back the time that we lost. Um, so, yeah, have a good. I'm gonna say good night because it's good night for me. I'm fixing to go to bed. So you guys have a good rest of your day. God bless you, and we'll see you down the road.